In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract illustration image by using a plane and point lights. Let's create a plane. Press Tab to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide it 4 times like this. Let's randomize the mesh. I'll create an 800 by 800 resolution image. Time to apply a material to the plane. Please remember to work on this image under the render preview mode, because Eevee render preview won't show much differences. I've shown you how to create a gradient image by using the gradient texture nodes in the past. This time, let's use a point light. The idea is to add a point light with slightly increased strength value, and the matching color that is much lighter than the original. I'll decrease the HDRI background strength value. Select the point light, and Shift-D to duplicate. I'll leave the denoise setting for this render. To create a grid, we need to duplicate the plane mesh, move it up a bit, and rotate it like this. Then we can use the wireframe modifier to convert the duplicated plane mesh into a wireframe mesh. I'll create a UV sphere next, and type S to scale it. Let's select the sphere, and Shift-select the wireframe mesh. Ctrl-P to parent it, and instance them on the plane's vertices like this. This issue occurred, because the sphere is located below the wireframe mesh. Let's move the sphere mesh to the same level. I'll select the original sphere, and type H to hide it. Let's work on the material for the wireframe mesh. I'll remove the metallic setting. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.